Sources of drugs. Drugs are obtained from six major sources: plant source, animal source, mineral, earth source, microbiological source, semi-synthetic, synthetic source, and recombinant DNA technology. Drug obtained in plant source. Plant source is the oldest source of drug. Most of the drug in ancient time obtained from plant source. Almost all part of the plants used like leaves, stem, bark, fruit and roots. Drug obtained from leaf like Digitalis purpurea, Digitalis lanta are the source of digitoxin and digoxin which are used in cardioglycoside. Leaves of eucalyptus oil give eucalyptus, which is important component of cough syrup. Tobacco leaf give nicotine. Tropa belladonna give atropine. Drug obtained from flower. Flower obtained drug like morphine. It is used as strong analgesic agent. Vinca rosea give increasing wind blasting, used as anti-cancer agent. Rose give rose water, used as a tonic. Drug obtained from fruit like senna fruit give anthracene, which is purgative in nature. Colabara bean give physostomin, which is cholineomimetic agent. Seeds of Naxomia give strychnine, which is a sinus stimulant. Castor seeds give castor oil. It is used as a purgative agent. Calabar bean give physostigmine. Physostigmine is used as a cholineomimetic drug. Drugs obtained from roots like Apequina roots. Apequina give emetic. Emetic induce vomiting. In case of accidental poisoning, it is used. It is also used as anti-homicidal properties. Raw Wolfia serpentina give reserpine. Reserpine show antihypotensive properties. Bark obtained drugs like cinchona bark give quinine, quinidine, which are anti-malarial nature. Quinidine also used as the antiarrhythmic agent. Atropa belladonna give atropine, which is anticholinergic activity source. Hyoscyamus niger give hyoscine, which is also used as anticholinergic agent. Drug obtained from stem like Chondrodendron tomestostem give tuberculin, which is a skeletal muscle relaxant and used in case of general anesthesia. Drug obtained from animal source like insulin. It is obtained from pancreatic beta cells. It is used in case of diabetes mellitus. Urine of pregnant women give human chorionic gonadotropin hormone and it is used for treatment of infertility. Sheep thyroid is a source of thyroxine and used in hypertension. Cod liver oil is used as a source of vitamin A and vitamin D, so it is used as a food supplement. Anterior pituitary is a source of pituitary gonadotropin and used in treatment of fertility. Blood animals preparation is used for vaccine. Stomach tissue contain pepsin and trypsin, which are digestive juices used in the treatment of peptic diseases in past, but nowadays better drugs have replaced them. Drug obtained from marine sources like metallic and non-metallic sources. And iron is used in treatment of iron deficiency like anemia. Mercurial salt used in syphilis. Zinc used as a zinc supplement, but zinc oxide paste is used in wounds and eczema. Iodine antiseptic property source. Iodine supplement are also used. Gold salt are used in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. Marine miscellaneous sources. Fluorine has antiseptic property. Borax shows antiseptic property. Selenium sulfide shows anti-dandruff property, so it is used in shampoo preparation. Petroleum is used in preparation of liquid paraffin. Synthetic sources. Synthetic sources when the nucleus of the drug from natural source well as its chemical structure is altered, we called synthetic sources like imetine bismuth iodide. Semi-synthetic source mean when the nucleus of drug obtained from natural source is retained but chemical structure is altered, we call it semi-synthetic source. Example of semi-synthetic source is apomorphine, diacetylmorphine, ethinyl estradiol, homeotropine, ampicillin, and methyl testosterone. Most of the drug used nowadays semi-synthetic source anxiety, anti-anxiety, and anti-convulsant drugs is microbiological source. Penicillin notatum is a fungus which gives penicillin antibiotic. Actinobacteria gives streptomycin. Aminoglycosides such as gentamicin and tobramycin are obtained from streptomyces and micromonospores. So is the recombinant DNA technology. Recombinant DNA technology involves cleavage of DNA by enzyme like restriction endonuclease and the desired gene is coupled rapidly replicating DNA like viral, bacterial, plasmid. Then new genetic combination inserted into bacterial culture which allow production of vast amount of genetic material. This called recombinant DNA technology. The advantages of recombinant DNA technology is huge amount of drug can be produced. Drug can be obtained in pure form. It is less antigenic, but few disadvantages of recombinant DNA technology is well-equipped lab is required, highly trained staff is required. It is a complex and complicated technique. Thanks.